What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Nikki Lee. Dag, I gotta start storing my stuff. What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Nikki Lee. Like and subscribe to my channel and follow me, NICKILEE 25. Okay, welcome back to Jailhouse Recipes. Now, yesterday I should have showed you guys how I made my little taco cheesesteaks. Basically, Jailhouse Recipes series is going to be about stuff that you don't have to make something for your kids, a little weird, crazy snack. I used to do this all the time, no matter what time of the day, midnight, 3 in the morning. My kids loved it. So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a little. So, get whatever the hell you want to put on it, okay? That's what I'm going to use. Get your little pancake mix, waffle mix, whatever you have. Get it. Grab it. Boom. Okay? Make sure you have some powdered sugar. That's really what's going to top everything off. Alright? So, what you want to do is with your pancake mix, boom, you want to mix it up. Okay? Follow the instructions for your pancake mix, no matter what it is. Just follow the instructions for the pancake mix about however much you want to make for whatever it may be. Okay? My mom has like a little egg beater, but like I said, this is Jailhouse Recipes, so if you don't have an egg beater, grab a fork. Okay? Get your mix, start mixing it. You might want a bigger... Okay? And you mix it until it's pretty thick. That's my dad's phone going in the background, so just please ignore that. So you mix it until it's pretty thick. Like I said, you don't have to have an egg thing because, again, this is Jailhouse Recipes. I'm calling it Jailhouse Recipes, but it really should be called Upstate Recipes because in the county jails, you guys don't get all the stuff that Upstate gets. Upstate gets everything, like, you know, they get better commissary. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to mix this, right? I'm going to show you guys how to do it if you don't have one of these little funnel things, right? If you don't have a funnel, all you got to do is just get a bag. You can do a sandwich bag or you can do a gallon bag. Just make sure you get a bag, okay? You can do a sandwich bag or a gallon bag. So what you're going to do is, because I have this little funnel thing, so it's cool. You can pour it in there like so. But honestly, I really don't even know how to use that. I keep checking this pizza for my kids, okay? Because they wanted some leftover Domino's pizza. So let me grab this for you. Here's your pizza. Here's your pizza. You're going to want to pour your mixture in the bag, okay? Pour your mixture in the bag, okay?
Guys, I literally got scammed.
Here we go.
I got like these plates, and then I got scammed. It should have said kids plates.
Okay.
And I didn't.
So I poured my mixture in a bag because, like I said, this is Jailhouse Recipes. So since it's Jailhouse Recipes, obviously you're not going to have a funnel, right? But you do get bags upstate. I'm pretty sure you do. Like, you can use your bags that you maybe use for your chips and stuff. So you could do that. Like the stuff you use for your cheese and shit like that. So I'm not about to use a chip bag because I'm at home. So what you want to do is heat your grease up a little bit. You know, if you got to start it with a battery, start it with a battery. If you're lucky enough to have a hot plate, use your hot plate.
Hey y'all. You like my hair? Oh. I think you guys like my hair. I know you guys do like my hair.
Need a plate? Yeah, just rinse them off. Rinse them off.
Yeah, just rinse them off for now, because Daddy's going to clean them for me.
Oh, okay.
Rinse them off.
Yeah, you get your little mixer.
Oh, look what it does.
That's how it does when it gets in the cold water.
I think. Oh my God, guys, I like this. It's like everything. It's like.
Once you get your stuff going, your grease going a little bit, you're going to want to cut a hole in the bag.
Actually, I'll probably get this one.
Mom, do you want a slice of pizza? Here. Okay. So you want your back.
I was doing a scary face. I don't know what she's making. What are you making?
You want to touch your grease? Nothing. If your grease isn't hot enough, just wait.
Why did you say nothing?
That is a surprise. It's a surprise.
You should have said that from the beginning.
It's a surprise. Yaya was like, ew, why did you put sour cream and your sweetening fluff?
Because you did it.
And it tastes bomb. And she was still upset about it. Anyways.
No, Yaya.
I don't have a lot of time, so. So I'm still gonna make this because I know that Daniel's gonna want to put a bunch of all over his stuff.
The bomb is Big Daddy's.
You got all the pizza out there? Yeah, sorry.
It's okay.
I don't like anything.
Alright, now you can put your air back on. If you have some.
Hey, y'all.
Mom,
My baby's trying to get orange.
No, I want red.
y'all gonna be talking about my hair. I feel like that old woman need to fix her hair. You're all alright, I
Okay,
do.
pour me some.
Come on, come on.
Oh my God.
I'm sorry. Got it?
Thank you for
This is Jaya's my son. Yeah. Okay, once you get all that situated, you're gonna want to squirt this and make a hole. Bring me those scissors. The scissors. Oh, they are? Thank you. Turn your phone down.
My cup has a crack in it. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this.
Cut a small hole. And begin to squeeze. Now this is going to be more so like funnel pieces, okay? Oh my gosh. I think I might have too much oil. But either way, you squeeze a bunch out. Well, I haven't did this in a while. Just let it go. This is a dip that I made with sour cream, marshmallow fluff, and sugar. I used to love to drink Monsters, and I don't know why I like Monsters, but my son gave me a Monster and I'm probably gonna like die. Anyways, you mix the sour cream with this, with sugar and fluff, and it's like becomes a little creamy dip. So this is just marshmallow fluff, sour cream. You can use condensed milk, or you can use my mom uses cream cheese. She was like, ew, why did you use sour cream? Why did I use sour cream? Because it's gonna make it liquidy. But she was like, oh my god, ew, why would you use that? I was like, Mom, chill. Because honestly, my next go around, I'm gonna do another one. My kids are nosy, so it doesn't even matter at this point.
I'm not being nosy. I was literally, my cup has a crack in it. Okay?
Uh-oh. Her cup has a crack in it, guys.
Yeah, see?
Oh, you poor thing.
Mom. Wait, is that the cup that has the crack in it? Oh my
Just get an
gosh.
orange one.
No, it's okay. I just did the opposite thing by accident.
Okay, this is like really good.
Okay, there we go. I just did the opposite thing.
I'm making a bubble pancake.
Yes, I know what you're making now. Yeah, wait, it was supposed to be a surprise.
Hold on, I got a fridge.
It was supposed to be.
It's okay, it can't be a surprise.
Well, I didn't even know what you were making. Now I can't know.
Okay.
Well, I don't even know what it is now.
It's a bubble pancake.
Oh. Don't tell me.
What?
This one has a crack in it too.
That's what I said. Stop with the green plates.
Okay.
The green cups, I mean. I'm gonna have to use this pan instead.
I'm sorry, I don't know which ones have green. I don't know which ones don't crack and which ones.
Since I made a mistake, guys, I'm gonna have to do it like so. Okay. Since this was like a tester, we're gonna just, like I said, it's gonna be like little pieces. So we have to kind of like restart. I'm just gonna let this heat up extremely hot. I like this eye personally, because this little eye don't be kicking it for me. I honestly might have to scrape this out and restart, because this shit just like got really crazy. I mean, this is still okay, but it's not doing what I want it to do, so. Give me a second. My kid's fucking distracted the fuck out of me. I need this to be piping hot. A little bit of oil, not a lot. Okay. I'm gonna put that mix back in. I also have enough that I can just reheat. That was too much. I wasn't paying attention to my Snow White frosting. So since I fucked up at the beginning, we're gonna just dump that back in there and let it fry up. Those little pieces. So that will be like little popcorns. Something will love this. Alright, so you want to hear that popping noise. Basically little funnel cake pieces. That's what you want it to look like. I'm going to put this back in here and just spread it around. And just see how it comes out. Okay. Because I don't know what I'm doing right now with this. So we're gonna just start over, but let that get a little bit crunchy and hard. Now, you guys have kids. This is something great to do with them. Just ignore my fat ass and start eating this. I'm a sugar queen, I'm a sugar monster. And on top of it, I'm about to drink that monster. Once it gets a little hard and like movable, I think I'm gonna pull it out. So this is just a test round. So it's gonna be little balls of cake. Little cake balls. Okay? Right on the effing shirt. People are just watching too hard. If you have an air conditioner in your kitchen, turn it on. You know, personally, I don't bake. So, this shit right here, I don't even know what it's turning into. What it's going to turn into. It might just go into a bunch of little fried pieces of dough. I really don't know. I'm trying to see how hard it really can get before I take it out. And then I'll make it into a,
How's it going?
I'll make it into something, because I don't know what the fuck is going on with this. This is just going to have to be little fried pieces of dough. And we'll just do it again, because I had to take it out of another pan and then put it back in another pan, but that's what happens when you don't have shit. So, let's just see how hard this can get.
Jailhouse cooking.
Sounds probably still going to be good.
And I do have stuff, just for the record, people.
No, it's not about that. I already told them. Thank God Big Daddy's asleep. Big Daddy needs to go to sleep. Big Daddy needs a brush. I don't know what the hell is going on with my mom with this kitchen, but she just She threw her whole damn salad out, y'all. Okay, so these are turning into little fried crunchy balls, which is cool. Crunchy fried balls. I'm gonna take these balls out and try again. Because this might have to be a topping. So let's try this again, y'all. Because my little crunchy fried balls are too much. My little crunchy fried balls are... This could be a topping. So this can be the topping because I don't know what the fuck is this. This looks like crunch. But you know what? It could be just like I said, a little topping. Because this shit right here is not it. So I'm going to use this as like a crunch, okay? That's what we're going to use this as, a little crunch. Because it looks like sand, actually. It looks like sand. So, since I fucked up so bad just this go around, let's start over again. You grab your bag and you just go with it. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and hey. You want to make it all one. Ooh. So kind of like an actual cake. You know what I'm saying? That's really what I'm going for, like an actual freaking cake until I squirted my whole entire self. And then for the last time, like, I'm gonna just do the actual funnel because this is like when you really just have nada. Okay? So you're gonna want to do it like so. Let me taste this actually. And then once this gets going, we just want to pick it up. I don't know why that. Get a spatula and just flip it on over, you know? Just flip it right on over, okay? Just fry that pancake right on up, okay? This is a crunch that I don't even know if I'm going to be able to eat it. Let me taste it. They're like a crunchy cereal. Whatever. I just want to fry this bad boy on up, okay? It's like a little fried pancake. This with some sugar on it. Bueno. Huh? Yeah. I don't know about our crunchy taste, but maybe if you nibble it with some chocolate chips or something. Shit. I might just come to life. Now, since I fucked up so bad, with my pancake, patty, This might have to be a redo, y'all, because this is not where it's at. I'm sorry. This looks like a burnt fucking patty. I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing. This looks like a burnt fucking chicken patty. I'm about to make myself an actual pancake and eat that shit. I'm sorry, y'all, about Jailhouse cooking. See me next time for more burnt recipes.
What did it just say? Did it say more burnt recipe? What happened to this? Is it supposed to look like that? Did you burn the pancake? You burned the pancake? Mom. Why you did that? You burned the pancake up.
What do you say, y'all?
Why you burned it?
Well, see me next time for more burnt recipes.
Mom! Oh my god, I'm done.
Take care, y'all, and stay safe. Take care, Abby. Now, this is supposed to be my funnel cake. It looks like a burnt fucking patty.
Wait, you're supposed to make funnel cake?
Let me see if it,
Wait, you're supposed to make funnel cake?
it tastes like funnel cake, but it's crunchy as fuck.
Let me see. Mom, that's burnt! No one's gonna eat that! Hey, I wanna taste it.
Ew, it tastes wrong.
Mom. Oh! Oh, Mom! What the heck?
Well, let me see the crunch. It's terrible, Abby. Stay tuned for more burnt recipes. Now, this is going on top of ice cream. Get yourself a vanilla scoop of ice cream. This should go on top of ice cream. With some, But as far as my other shit goes, I'm sorry, y'all. I done wasted 10 minutes y'all can never get back. Oh God. Like and subscribe to the channel for nasty ass recipes. I'm done. Cut me off. Send me home.